Okay, we're here to talk about this herb right here. A lot of individuals just don't totally understand that there are thousands of herbs out here. Thousands. Okay. Now, you see the great Dr. Sabi right there, and he's going to break some things down to you, one of his favorite herbs. Now, I created this channel and I've gone in the direction of this channel to make sure that I give information to people starting a home apothecary, okay, in their homes. And I want to have like that glossary of people being able to define any herb and know what it is. You might have heard of this herb, you might have seen it, you might not know nothing about it, but I like to give that extra detail and reminder of what something is and what it does for the body. Okay? That's what this channel is for. I am trying to overly educate you on Mother Nature. All right? And right there. Some things we can just eat the whole thing. I want to tell you about the seeds, the leaves, the actual, the bark, the, you know what I'm saying, the fruit, the round fruit, inside the fruit, the juice of the fruit, the vegetable. It's so many things that you can kind of like eat, and you got to know what to eat and what not to eat. And like a moringa, you can eat the whole thing. And I wish, you know what, I'm about to cover about the moringa. Let's get into this right here. Let's get into it. Okay.
The blue vervain has always been one of my favorite plants. This plant is responsible for many things. First, just go to the central nervous system and the prostate gland. This plant is effective not only in the prostate gland of men, but in the reproductive organs of women. So this plant contains iron, magnesium, phosphorus, but one of the things that I like a bit of it, it contains zinc and also potassium phosphate. So it appeals to the central nervous system because of the potassium phosphate, which fights inflammation and treats the nervous system, and iron fluorine, which again addresses the blood. But this is one that I like very much because it makes me feel so good and it's so pretty.
So pretty. Okay, so listen. Yeah, there's a lot of studies on this one right here. A lot of people just don't know about it. You don't know, but about to find out today, right? Let's get into it.
Blessed love, y'all. So for today, we're going to be preparing some blue vervain tea. Blue vervain is an epic herb. It's great for relaxing the nervous system, helping you calm down. If you're one of those people who are always so tight up in the neck, always up here, needs a to-do list, this is going to help you relax, calm down, and boost your mood up. It's also really good for the digestion. Just the all-around epic herb. But what we have here is we boiled some water, and once the water boils, we're gonna take it off of the stove and put a little bit of blue vervain in here and just let it infuse. Give thanks, y'all. So that's the basics of herbal preparation for teas.
I appreciate him breaking it down. It's a tablespoon for 7 minutes. Strain it. You add your little sweetener to it, and you drink it. Okay? Straight to the point. Let's listen to her. What you got to say?
Don't use blue vervain again until you know this. Here are 6 benefits of using blue vervain. 1, it reduces stress. 2, it reduces inflammation. 3, it reduces menstrual cramps. 4, it stimulates the appetite. 5, it reduces pain. And 6, it boosts the immune system. If you want it, type "I need it" in the comments. Do it yourself.
Do it yourself. Sis, so let me give you some studies. This one is a beast with helping out with your nervous system and stress support, like they mentioned. Okay? It's traditionally known for helping out your nervine. Okay? Nerve. That's why they call it blue vervain. Okay? The vein. It helps calm the body, support relaxation. Study in 2016, Journal of Pharmacy, actually shown that it was used on some animals. They don't want to go into details about as a sedative and calming and having a calming effect. Okay. It was also used for restlessness and mild for sleep issues. All right. So It's an anti-inflammatory effect. What it helps with, and it contains flavonoids that help reduce inflammation and supports your tissue response. A study was done in 2012 and through 2018, plant compound, showing how it was heavy with reducing inflammation. Okay. Number 4 is good for the digestive tract and digestive support. It's a bitter herb action traditionally used for stimulating the digestive system and support with bile flow. Okay. It's actually number 5. Has issues with, it helps with hormone and menstrual support. Okay. Menstrual cramps and hormonal balances. Okay. It's also helps with actually we already talked about the brain. I already talked about calming. We already talked about stress. We already talked about the nerve. Okay? This bad boy is a beast. It's another herb that actually can help you with your body. Okay? Okay? So listen to me. Let me share something with you. I know it's boring talking about herbs. I know it's not something that a lot of people just want to hear about all the time. But I wanted to make sure I came on here. This is the reason why I do these videos. Like I said before, it's time out for us to be just assuming that you can just, oh, everybody's just telling you to buy this and everybody's just telling you to buy this. We know we're going through trying times. Okay? This war is happening. They're slowing down individuals sharing information with you. Your pockets is tight. You can't do what you used to do on a regular basis, even stuff with me slowing down. Okay? Investments, entrepreneurship, your 9 to 5, gas, everything is going in a place, in a direction that's really having you feel like you can't do much. Your health is not the same anymore. You can't get health insurance like you used to do before. You can't actually reach and find individuals that are practitioners, doctors that will actually sit with you and give you all the information that you need. It's not really available like it used to be. Those days are pretty much kind of bleak. I get phone calls all the time and I can only take so many. I have to have my bookings a certain kind of way to make sure who I talk to, how I talk to, and if I can help them. But I notice that it's a lot of elders that's not getting the assistance and help that they need. They just need individuals to break it down. Share with me what I can and what I can't do so I won't make no mistakes. Ain't nobody over here telling them, oh, leave the doctors alone and get away from them and don't go see your doctor, anti-doctor. No. Okay? But the assistance is not like it used to be all the time. Okay? You used to get somebody that would sit with you and break all the details down like your blood work. Break down why you're on this type of medication. Break down why you should be eating this and eating that. Stay away from that. Stay away from this. Have this, don't have that. Eat this. It used to be that way. Those days are kind of like becoming obsolete. So I'm trying to make sure you can educate yourself, know what to put inside your home. Be a good mother. Okay, be a good steward to your temple, you, yourself, and I. So that way you can help out your family. You can help out your wife, your kids, your husband. You can help out your extended family, your loved ones. Everything attached to you, you can help. But if you don't know, how you going to do better? How you going to know if you don't really, honestly, truly know? So it's in your best interest to get with individuals like myself, watch individuals like myself, like I can show you how to put these elixirs and infusions together. You can pick the one you want that's readily available in your area. I am still working on the directory, 100%. I'm trying to make sure that I put a collage of natural healers and practitioners and real doctors that's trying to be on that type of time to assist you in your neighborhood, herbalists and herbologists and master herbalists. I'm trying to make sure you can find them near you. I'm working on it, and I will have this done this year. Whoo, I'm serious about it. Anyways, I didn't talk and ramble enough. Mother Nature's your gift to healthy living. Hers Kareem.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbals Kareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.